Okay, so we've been talking about nonfiction. We've talked about the 3 different types of nonfiction. We've talked about expository, narrative, and then yesterday we talked about functional. Well, today we're going to talk about the part of nonfiction that I think makes it really interesting, and that's the text features. Readers deepen their understanding of nonfiction text by analyzing and using text features. Text features make nonfiction really interesting, I think. I want you to take one and pass them back. If there are extras, just leave them at the back. Connor, did you get one? Need another one up there, please. Do we have enough? Everybody have one? All right. Today we're just going to talk about these, and tomorrow you're actually going to kind of go on a scavenger hunt and find them. But for today, I just want to talk about them. We're going to start with title, which is the very top. It quickly tells the reader what information they'll learn about. And then I want to talk about headings and subtitles. They help the reader identify the main idea or section of the text. So when we look at this book, right away, there's the title, okay, The Emperor Penguin. We know in that section we're going to learn all about the Emperor Penguin, aren't we? Rockhopper. So titles on each one helps us. Subtitle. This is geysers. And subtitles, and this one is like Yellowstone, a unique park. Okay? Labels. Kids sometimes get labels and captions mixed up. Labels actually point to and tell you. Labels are usually just like one word. Like this is an ostrich egg. Okay? A caption actually explains what the picture is. This is a caption. These seaside birds called murmurs lay their eggs on high cliffs that tower above the sea. So the difference between a caption and a label is a caption actually explains the picture. A label just tells you what it is. Okay? Photographs, illustrations, and inset photography. This is a photograph. It's an actual picture taken with a camera of penguins. This book has lots of photographs. This book has lots of illustrations. Still nonfiction, but it's illustrations instead of photographs, which are basically drawings. Okay? Crosscut section. Cutaways and crosscut. Oh, this one has some crosscuts in it. Right there. It says they allow the reader to see inside something by dissolving part of a wall or to see all the layers of the object by bisecting the view. Can you see inside that egg? Mm-hmm. Maps and charts. Let's see. This one has maps in it. Well, there's a chart. It's a table, isn't it?
It's like a...
Okay, so that one doesn't have maps. Penguin one probably does. There's a map. Okay. Charts could be graphs, all kinds of things. Just 1 second, please. Types of print. So like bold print lets you know it's important. Sometimes our font is colored, which helps us go to that section really quickly. Table of contents, you all know what that is. Index, We all know that the index is at the back and it actually gets us to the topic really quickly. So on this egg book, if we wanted to find about yolk, we just go alphabetically to yolk, and it tells us to go to page 4, 6, and 20. Okay? Glossary tells us the meaning of all those hard words in nonfiction books. So in this case, yolk, the yellow part of the egg. All right? And then sidebars. This is a sidebar. Just gives you more information. So we're going to be doing a lot more work with these text features. Especially tomorrow, you're going to be looking for text features in groups, okay? So text features make you, make it easier to understand what you're reading in nonfiction. And I think they're the interesting part of nonfiction. Okay? All right. Off you go.